Ever finish a meeting and wish your notes were already written? Well, Fireflies AI can do exactly that. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate AI meeting notes, review the summary, and share everything with your team. So let's dive in. Start by signing into your Fireflies AI account. If you're new, you can quickly create a free account using Google, Microsoft, or your email address. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Fireflies dashboard. To generate meeting notes, you'll first need a meeting recording or transcript. If Fireflies has already recorded one of your meetings, simply open it from your meetings list. Otherwise, click Upload and add an audio or video file from your computer. Fireflies will automatically begin processing it. Once the meeting has finished processing, open it to view the AI-generated notes. Fireflies automatically creates a concise meeting summary, identifies important discussion points, lists action items, and highlights key decisions. This saves a lot of time compared to writing notes manually. You can scroll through the transcript while reviewing the summary to make sure everything looks accurate. If needed, add comments, bookmarks, or your own notes to important sections. You can also search the transcript for specific words or topics to quickly find important moments. When you're happy with the notes, click the Share button to send them to teammates or collaborators. Depending on your plan, you may also be able to copy, export, or integrate your meeting notes with other productivity tools. Sharing everything is pretty straightforward. And that's how you generate meeting notes with Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you get started. If you enjoyed the tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.